Hello guys, in this video we will see what is server disconnected error in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step understanding the server disconnected error. Content the server disconnected error in COD Warzone signifies the loss of communication between your gaming client or console and the game's dedicated servers. This issue typically results in being abruptly removed from a match, losing any in-game progress, and returning to the main menu or desktop. While often perceived as a server-side problem, the root cause can originate from various points, including your local internet connection, your computer's network configuration, interference from other software, or indeed an actual problem with the Warzone game servers themselves. Identifying the source is crucial for effective troubleshooting.
Step: evaluate your local internet connection content before anything else. Ensure your own internet connection is stable and performing adequately. Begin by performing a speed test to check your download and upload speeds, and ping a weak or inconsistent connection is a primary culprit. For disconnects, rebooting your router and modem can often resolve temporary network glitches by refreshing the connection. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wire Ethernet connection, as wired connections provide greater stability and lower latency, reducing packet loss that can trigger server disconnections. Also verify that no other devices on your network are heavily consuming bandwidth, which could starve Warzone of the necessary resources.
Step: check game server status and verify game files. Content once your local connection is confirmed stable. The next step is to ascertain if the issue is widespread and affecting the game servers. Check official sources such as the Activision support Twitter account, dedicated Warzone server status, websites or community forums like Reddit, where other players often report outages. If servers are indeed down or experiencing issues, the only solution is to wait for Activision to resolve them. If server status appears normal, proceed to verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher. A Battle.net Steam corrupted or missing game files can lead to unexpected errors, including connection issues, and this process will repair or replace them.
Step: address network configuration and software interference. Content your computer's network settings and other installed software can sometimes interfere with Warzone's ability to maintain a stable connection. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Warzone by adding the game as an exception. If you use a virtual private network and try disabling it, as some can introduce latency or route traffic through congested servers that lead to disconnections. Performing a dense flush using ipconfig flushes in command prompt on Windows can clear out dense caches that might be pointing to old or incorrect server routes. For more advanced users, confirming your NAT type is open or moderate and potentially setting up port forwarding for Warzone can also improve connection stability.
Step: advanced troubleshooting and contacting support. Content if the previous steps do not resolve the server disconnected error, consider more drastic measures or seek professional assistance as a last resort. A complete reinstallation of Call of Duty Warzone can often fix deeply rooted file corruption or configuration issues that other repairs might miss. Ensure your network drivers or users are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause connectivity problems. If possible, test Warzone on a different internet connection to determine if your specific network infrastructure is the root cause. Finally, if all else fails, gather detailed information about the error, including any error codes, the exact time of occurrence, and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken, and contact Activision support directly for personalized assistance.